Welcome back everybody, Alan here, and you're watching Outdoors with Alan. And today we started our lawn renovation. And the reason I say we started our lawn renovation is because the very first step is to spray glyphosate or some type of grass killer to get rid of what's in the lawn. So anyway, if you've ever wanted to watch a series of videos that explain step by step and show the process of a complete lawn renovation, then you'll want to stay tuned. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification, and you'll get notified each time we do a video. I plan on doing about 4 or 5 videos showing this whole process. So thanks for joining in, and I hope you'll stay joined in and follow us on this series. We'll get to work. Welcome back everybody. Just like I promised, 1 week later, and I wanted to show you what the glyphosate did, and it did as expected. It killed most of the grass. However, I've got a few places that it's still a little green, so we're going to hit it again this morning. This is starting into the second week of preparing for our renovation, so we're going to put that down and then hopefully get rid of all the grass. There won't be any left. So I'm going to walk around and just show you a few places which you can kind of expect. I mean, it's hard not to miss a few places. So I'm going to show you those, and then we're going to get busy putting down the second application of glyphosate. So anyway, let's take a look. Okay, so you can see here we've got just a little bit of the green still right on the edges here. This is some type of I guess Bermuda or wiregrass or something, and I knew this would be a little harder to kill off, but it's going away pretty good, not giving me too much trouble. But as you can see, as we walk through the yard here, there are some places that obviously I missed. Here's a couple spots right here, and this is why you have to usually do 2 applications, because no matter how hard you try to get it 100% coverage, sometimes you just don't get that. In fact, most of the time you'll have a few places. You can see it's a little bit of light green in here, and then we've got here's a good green patch that looks like you might not have hardly gotten anything on. And around the edges, you know, being careful from the shrubbery, sometimes you'll have to go back and hit these. As you can see up here, got a few more little patches. Well, welcome back everybody. Today is August the 15th, And as promised, I wanted to show you the yard after the second application of glyphosate. I've got the umbrella handy because it's a very, very rainy day here in Central Virginia. In fact, we've had 3 days of rain. We are expecting more rain this evening and tomorrow on Sunday. We may get up to about 3 inches of rain. So I hope it doesn't rain all in August, and then when we do our our lawn renovation, and we don't get any rain. So I'm hoping it will spread out a little bit. Anyway, I wanted to wrap up this video this morning so that I could go ahead and get it published. And so I just wanted to show you what 2 applications does. And it does make a big difference. So we're going to kind of walk around the yard and show you the results. Okay, if you remember from last week's video on August the 7th, we had some green spots where it just didn't quite kill everything. But pretty much as you look today, which is 1 week later after the second application, most everything is brown and dead. Still a few little places, but I expect them to go ahead and check out here pretty soon. Got remember we had the old big dead tree here, and it's gone. The man that's gonna come back this week and kind of finish getting a little bit of that stump up. Didn't quite get it low enough so that when we bring the tiller out here, we don't have any danger of running into that stump. So we want it down pretty good. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of wrap this video up and show you the results. I think you'll agree it's ready to move on to the next step. So anyway, thank you for sticking with us, and when we come back on step 2, which hopefully will be this next Friday, we've got a new piece of equipment coming, that I'm really excited about, and so you'll want to stay tuned to see what that is, and we'll get to work on getting everything prepped. So step 2 will basically be kind of getting the lawn prepped for seeding. So we're going to add a few amendments. We're going to get it prepared for seed. So you'll want to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and hopefully by next Saturday we'll be bringing you step 2 in our lawn renovation. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. God bless.